Join me as I dive deep into the world of war drills and put myself to the test to see just how real they really are. War drills, a term that's been thrown around quite a bit lately, especially with all the tension going on globally. Essentially, war drills are military exercises designed to prepare soldiers for the realities of battle. They can range from small-scale simulations to large-scale operations involving thousands of troops. The purpose? To enhance readiness, test strategies, and ensure that military personnel are as prepared as possible for any situation. Some people view war drills as nothing more than a show of force, a way for countries to flex their muscles and intimidate others. But are they really just a display of power, or is there more to them? I've heard people say they're just pretending to prepare for war, that they'd never actually use these tactics in real life. Fears and skepticism about war drills are understandable, especially when you consider the potential consequences of actual war. There's a lot of anxiety about what could happen if things escalate, and it's natural to wonder if these drills are just a precursor to something more serious. I mean, can we really trust that they're just for training purposes? The thing is, war drills have been a part of military training for centuries. They've evolved over time, incorporating new technologies and strategies to stay relevant. Today, they are more complex than ever, often involving simulations and cyber warfare training. Their impact on military readiness can't be overstated. They're crucial for keeping troops prepared. But what about their impact on civilian awareness? War drills can sometimes cause panic among the public, especially if they're not clearly communicated. It's a delicate balance between keeping the public informed and avoiding unnecessary panic. I've come across some pretty interesting information about a recent war drill that I think challenges some common beliefs. It was a massive exercise involving multiple countries and thousands of troops. What struck me was how realistic it was. Troops were actually deployed, and simulations were run in real time. The goal was to test interoperability between different military units and to practice responding to a range of scenarios. What I found surprising was how much attention was paid to detail, from the tactical movements to the communication strategies. It was clear that this wasn't just a show, it was a genuine effort to prepare for any eventuality. The insight that really stood out to me, though, was how much of the drill focused on de-escalation techniques. It seems that there's a growing recognition that the best strategy isn't always to engage in force, but to prevent conflicts from escalating in the first place. So, understanding war drills is crucial, not just for military personnel, but for everyone. They're a key part of global security, helping to maintain a balance and deter potential aggressors. By being aware of what they entail and their purpose, we can better grasp the complexities of global politics. If you've got thoughts on war drills or any other aspect of global security, I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more interesting videos.